Hi, I'm Raye and the company that I have chosen to work with is Victoria's Secret. My presentation is about Victoria's Secret and how they can improve their image to better appeal to a wider range of consumers. So a brief overview. Victoria's Secret is an American lingerie, clothing, and beauty retailer. Every year they put on a fashion show that highlights the top supermodels in the world that they've coined as Victoria's Secret Angels. As you can see here, there are many famous celebrities that have been angels. For example, this is Naomi Campbell, Heidi Klum, Adriana Lima, Tyra Banks, and Gigi Hadid. They are some of the most famous and successful models in the industry. But notice how only one body type is displayed here. Very tall, skinny women. Most women do not look like this. Their bodies are not relatable to the average woman, and Victoria's Secret needs to change all their advertisements and fashion shows to be more inclusive. Victoria's Secret's core values are as follows. The customer rules, passion leads to success, inclusion makes us stronger, it matters how we play the game. Some keywords that I associate with this brand are sexy, angels, inclusivity, confidence, diversity, and positivity. Now this is the advertising problem. Victoria's Secret not only over-sexualizes women, but creates non-inclusive, unrealistic beauty standards for their consumers. This really needs to change because you should be catering to your audience. Real women do not look like this. We do not have these bodies. Of course, these models are real women, but they're famous models who have personal trainers that work them out several times a day in the gym, and they have nutritionists who plan their meals for them every day. Their life revolves around having this perfect physique. Real women do not have time to dedicate all of their focus on their body image like these models do. We have jobs, we have work, we have to maintain social lives. We just simply do not have time for that. And most people's professions are not supermodels, so we just don't look like that. The objective of this campaign is that sexiness should not be the main focus of the brand. Creating an environment where consumers can feel empowered and comfortable should be. The core message that we are trying to deliver to the people is that every body belongs in Victoria's Secret underwear. It's not just these super skinny, gorgeous supermodels that should be in this underwear. You should be in it too. You are good enough. The target audience member profile that I have created is this cute girl, Kelsey Green. Kelsey Green is 20 years old. She's a female who lives in Athens, Georgia, and goes to UGA. She's a second-year psych major, and she's biracial. So one of her parents is black, one of them is white. Her relationship status is unmarried, but she is in a very serious relationship with her high school boyfriend who goes to school in South Carolina. So she visits him often and does long drives to see him. Her occupation is a student library assistant, and she makes about $30K. She likes going out to eat and drinking with her friends on the weekend, and she loves to browse social medias like TikTok and Instagram, but she doesn't really use Facebook much. She enjoys long drives, especially to see her boyfriend. So the first deliverable that I've created is a billboard and a billboard advertisement. So it's out-of-home advertising. And this billboard is really good at appealing to our target market like Kelsey, because according to a Campaign Live study, 71% of people driving by billboards do actually look at them and process them enough to have a decent retention rate, which makes a lasting impact on consumers' purchasing patterns and behavior. This is really helpful for Kelsey because she does do these long drives to South Carolina often, and these billboards present some form of entertainment while she's driving. Also, when she sees this ad and it's emphasizing that there's a style for every body type, it's really going to make her want to buy this. And the fact that it says, "What are you waiting for?" makes the consumer really process the billboard and be like, "Oh, what am I waiting for? I should go buy this now." Instead of only presenting one body type, super, super skinny, it's going to show various body types in all different styles. For example, a larger chested woman will have her wearing a more supportive bra because that's what she'll most likely be the most comfortable in. For a smaller chested woman, we will have her wearing a lightly lined bralette because that's the style that someone with this body type would feel the best in. For girls with larger tummies, we will show a model in tummy control underwear to show how great our product works and to highlight that Victoria's Secret underwear will make you feel more confident in yourself underneath your clothes. Basically, we just want to represent to people how inclusive this brand is. Every body type is being represented and all people belong in our underwear. The second deliverable that I have is an Instagram advertisement. Basically, I'm using the made-to-stick principle of keeping it simple. Keeping it simple is finding the core of the idea, making it easy to understand, and get the message across that every body is a bikini body. The simplicity of this advertisement is effective because according to a Create Cultivate article, you only have about 2.7 seconds to get someone's attention. By getting straight to the point, our message will be instilled in our audience's mind quickly and efficiently. This is an advertisement for our swimwear because Victoria's Secret recently relaunched its swimwear collection, so it is time that we start to create some buzz about this, new relaunching of this collection. An Instagram advertisement is good for marketing to Kelsey because she frequently uses social media. Her age group consists of about 29.8% of all Instagram users, so it is a great way to reach this demographic. By using the advertising concept and copy principle of showing nothing, it allows for consumers to picture literally any body they want in our swimwear, including their own. The punctuation in this advertisement is important as well. The period at the end of the sentence is very powerful. It emphasizes that every body is ready to be debuted to the public. End of story. So my conclusion is that you are perfect just the way you are. Victoria's Secret really wants you to realize this. They want their consumers to feel content in their underwear, bras, and lingerie. They want everyone to feel included. They have become a bit more diverse recently. The issue that I presented to you in my previous slides is that they're only demonstrating one body type in their runway shows, and it's an unhealthy one. They have actually started in the past fashion show for the first time. It's incredible. They have had a transgender woman walking in their show, which they'd never done before. It's always been cisgender women. They've debuted models with vitiligo like Winnie Harlow and women over the age of 50 years old to show that beauty has no age limit. They've also introduced plus-size women too. Now, my issue with this is that, yes, they're plus size, but not really. They're plus size for Victoria's Secret models, but they honestly just look like normal women to me, like normal body types. So anyways, Victoria's Secret still has a lot of work to be done, but I feel like with this advertising campaign, we can make a lasting impact on consumers, make everyone feel comfortable and confident in our clothes, and I think that it's just a great way to go about revamping our brand's image. Thanks for listening, and remember, you are beautiful.